Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to add page numbers in Word. Okay, so if you want to add page numbers in Word, whether it is 1 2 3 4 or A B C D or Roman number, you can add any number as a page number. Okay, so first what you have to do, you have to go into insert, and then here you will see option page number. Just click on it and page number. Okay, now click on OK. So whether you want to right side, up, inside, outside, left side, you can choose all these things. Okay, then bottom of the page, top of the page, you can add wherever you want. Then here you will see show number on the first page, you can also choose that. Then click on OK. Okay, now you will see page number has been assigned 1 2. Okay, now if you want to as a ABCD, okay, as a page number instead of 1 2, so what you have to do, just go to page number again, then format page numbers. Then here you will see you can choose ABCD or Roman number from here. Just click on ABCD. Now click on OK. Now you will see this is ABCD. Okay, so like this you can add page number in Word. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.